Yeah, okay. Oh, 나 혹시
안녕하세요, 여러분. So today, we will have a tutorial video presentation on the basic Korean alphabet. But before we proceed to tackle the basic Korean alphabet, let's dig into the Korean language history. Let's discuss the brief background of Korean language. Korean language is an isolated language, meaning it is not closely related to major language families like Indo-European. For centuries during the pre-Hangul era, written communication relied on classical Chinese characters. They are called Hanja, which were not suitable for Korean's grammatical structure. Only elites and scholars could write, limiting literacy across society. But in 1446, King Sejong the Great commissioned a team of scholars to develop a phonetic writing system tailored to Korean speech, named Hangul. So, Hangul was designed to be logical, with characters shaped to mimic how speech organs move when pronouncing sounds. The importance of Hangul in Korean culture is it is a symbol of national identity, democratizing literacy, and preserving Korean heritage. It is celebrated annually on Hangul Days in October 9 in South Korea and January 15 in North Korea. Over time, Hangul was refined and standardized, and up to this day, it is the official writing system of both South Korea and North Korea, though there are minor differences in spelling and vocabulary between the two. Hanja is still used in some contexts, like in academic texts or with proper nouns in South Korea, but it plays a far smaller role than Hangul.
Let's proceed to Korean alphabet, the Hangul. What is Hangul? A phonetic writing system consisting of 24 basic characters, 14 consonants, 10 vowels, plus 5 double consonants, and 11 combined vowels for extended sounds. Unlike logographic system, each character represents a sound.
These are the 14 consonants, 10 vowels, 5 double consonants, and 11 combined vowels.
저는 오는 이런 오후에 너희에게 전화를 걸 수만 있다면
The picture shows how to execute or how to do the proper stroking of the letters.
Let's start with consonants. There are 14 basic ones you need to know. First, let's group them by sound type. Giyok. Shape looks like your tongue touching the back of your mouth. Say G as in go or Ki as in kite. Depends on position. Digut. Shape like your tongue touching your teeth. Say D or T. Biyok. Shape like your lips closing. Say B or P. Jiyot. Shape like your tongue touching your palate. Say G or Chi. Chiyot. Stronger version of say Chi as in chair. Kiyok. Stronger version of say Ki as in kangaroo. Tiyot. Stronger version of say T as in tiger. Piop. Stronger version of say P as in puppy. Syot. Shape like your teeth slightly apart. Say S as in sun. Sometimes sounds like sh at the start of words. Hyot. Shape like you're breathing out. Say H as in hello. Nyon. Shape like your tongue touching your teeth. Say N as in nose. Myom. Shape like your lips close. Say as in mom. Yong. Silent or inji. When it's at the start of a syllable, it's silent. When at the end, it sounds like inji, as in sing. Riol, shaped like your tongue rolling. Say R as in rice or il as in love. It's a mix.
Now for vowels, there are 10 basic ones. Hangul vowels are based on just 3 shapes: a horizontal line for flat sound, a vertical line for tall sounds, and dots for rounded sounds. The first letter is A. Say A as in father. Ya. Say Ya as in yach. O. Say O as in but. Yo. Say Yo as in yummy without the M. O. Say O as in orange. Yo. Say Yo as in yoga. U. Say U as in moon. U. Say U as in you. Say as in book, the short sound. Say E as in see. So, that's are the 10 vowels. So, you already know the 10 basic vowels of Korean alphabet. Now, let's make syllables. Here's the fun part. Hangul isn't written left to right like English, one letter at a time. It's written in syllable blocks. Each block has 2 to 4 letters and follows a simple pattern. Pattern 1. Consonant plus vowel, CV. For example, G plus A equals ga. N plus I equals ni. B plus O equals bo. Pattern 2. Consonant plus vowel plus final consonant or CVC. For example, G plus A plus N equals gan. D plus E plus M equals dum. O plus E plus O equals ing. Remember, the first O is silent. Pattern number 3. Double consonants. Some consonants pair up for stronger sound. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double consonants. Example, double G plus A equals ka. Ka. Let's have a quick recap and practice words. Let's put it all together with some super common Korean words. If you are into K-drama and K-pop, maybe you are familiar to some of these basic Korean words. Annyeong. It means hello or goodbye. An plus nyong. And as you can see in nyong, the last letter of annyeong is O because O is also NG. Nyong. NG. The last letter of annyeong. Second word is sagwa. Sagwa means apple. Sa plus gwa. Sagwa. Another word is mul. Mul means water. M-U plus L, which is the final consonant. Mul. Another word is bap, which means rice or meal. Ba plus P equals bap. So the P is the final consonant.
And that's the basic of Hangul. See, it was easy. You just learned Korean alphabet in 10 minutes. And if you want to enhance your Korean speaking, practice, practice, practice. Familiarize the Korean alphabet, watch K-drama, and listen to some K-pop songs. And that's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. And thank you all for watching. 안녕히 계세요.